Baby. Baby, you need to slow down, please. You're driving on a high speed and I know you're upset, but it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. How stupid and naive do I look to you? Eh? You think I'm a fool?
No, baby, you're not. I never said so.
Then explain to me why you were hugging that young man I saw you talking to at the party. Explain it.
I already told you he was my classmate back then in school. Nothing more. I don't know why you find it difficult to believe anything I say.
Because I don't trust you. I don't. I even saw you exchanging numbers with him. Eh? Let me have your phone. Give me that phone.
Hey.
Let me have the phone. I'll throw it away and I'll get you another phone. Yes.
I don't know why you always get upset each time you see me talking to a guy. Even when you know I will never do anything to hurt you, I will never cheat on you. You know that very well.
Oh, they don't think like the oh, Jesus. Which I could do that. And yeah, don't go. Jesus.
Baby. Baby, why are you still looking disturbed? I already said I am sorry. I mean, that guy is nobody. He's just an old friend. I'm sorry, please. You know I can never do anything that will hurt you. Like,
marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh, make you no die before your time. Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh, make you no die before your time.
Even as boy don't talk to oga, and you no get respect you. And you no get respect you.
Ah, my man.
Customer.
Give
Which
me
one you want?
This one. Ah, sorry. Well done now. I see the B.
Well done. The right charity for my forehead. Give me my money.
No, I see the B now. Make I just.
See, guys. Don't provoke me son too much. Where my money?
What's it?
I say, where my money?
Yeah, bicycle.
Give me money now. I beg son too much. Don't provoke me.
No, I did come now.
See, body the pepper me. Body, give my money on my phone.
What be your own? And I say make I bring money. Why they hook me?
If I brush you, you go reach like this.
No, do that thing.
If I brush you, you go reach like this before you reach.
You thought it's my heart. You know the fair height.
Give me my money.
My bring money now.
Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh, make you no die before your time. Marriage.
baby, can you talk to me, please? I don't even know why you're doing this. Can you just talk to me? Please, baby.
Agami, you called me.
Why is there no light in this house?
They took it, sir.
I believe there's an inverter in this house.
You took it out for maintenance. You say you don't like generator. You don't like the sound.
Then call that stupid boy that fixes the inverter and let him know that if I do not use the electricity tonight to sleep, he will find it very hot with me.
So please root off the electricity.
Eni.
Sorry, sir. Now I remember.
Eni, Pomo.
Sir.
Now listen. Next time I open that gate by myself, you will leave this house. You will be news. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Baby, can you just talk to me, please? Just talk to me. The silence is killing me, please.
Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh, make you no die before your time. Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike.
I won't do this thing now. It's a mouth. No be the same mouth. Hi. Oh, Nepa, big bring light now. No, not bring light. Bring this in now. Go no. Oh, I don't know if you do anything here now. Hi.
Magnus, now wait. Magnus, what happened?
My village people follow me come city.
How do you say your village people follow you come city? What happened?
My brother. Ndami. Gwalelum. That woman abacha. All my body they pepper me. Army people, they beat me like say I rob. They don't see weapon for my hand though.
Wait, so now army people they call your village people? How army people take convert themselves to your village people?
They send them now. A spiritual attack.
Magnus!
What's funny?
Magnus! Sorry. Army people. Lady was here. Yes, Lady was here. She was shouting. She said you must give her money.
I the old lady bill. The last ice cream when she gave me last week one, I never pay. This week one, I never pay. So anytime when she come to her side, I no day. That's how I go village self.
My brother, or you're not your own. For this matter now, you there on your own.
Why you keep water?
Let me keep her now. Have you keep water here before?
God bless you. I want bath. Yeah. I need massage.
God bless you too. Where's your one carry water?
Water friends, but then you see how me beat me. So they massage me, say you drink water with me.
Now, lady B supposed to come here massage you. Not me supposed to come massage you. My water no be a beg water. Yeah?
Don't have salt. Brother, give me water now. I see my condition.
Which condition? Have you put you for this condition?
Oh, no, they touch me. Get as I take day. Get as I take day.
Water no dey for this area. No dey.
Give me this. Now I go back.
Oga, leave me alone now.
Give me now.
Go fetch water. Go fetch your own water now.
Okay, sir, they beat me. I go nod you with my.
You go nod me. You go nod me.
I use my energy, last energy nod.
Na me you go nod.
Your 32 go there.
Na the wrong place you go tire.
Oh,
Leave this water. Magnus.
Oh.
Water no dey this area. Water no dey this area. Eh?
Arrange no be like this, yo. Aka heart attack, yeah.
Baby, you know you're being unfair with the way you ignore me.
I just got off the phone with your father. I am putting an end to this marriage.
You what? Baby, you can't end this marriage. You know what will become of me if you end this marriage. Baby, please. You can't do this to us, please.
So you know what will happen. Yet you chose to disrespect our marriage by exchanging number with a man before my presence.
Baby, I explained to you that he was my classmate back then in school. Nothing more. Nothing more. Baby, please. I'm sorry I didn't introduce him to you. It skipped my mind. I am sorry. Please, my love.
So you remember that? So you actually remember that? I don't want to have any more conversation with you about this. I am putting an end to this marriage so you have enough time with other men, since it appears that I'm too old for you.
Baby, you are everything to me. You are not too old. You are not too old for me. You are not old. Please, I cherish you. I want ours. I like you this way. I love old men. Please, baby. Please, my love. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Baby, I love older men. You can't be too old for me. Please, don't just end this. Please, baby. Please, my love. Okay, don't end this. Don't end what we've shared. I don't want to lose you. Please.
sabi lie lie, he sabi pretend. Onya rurala, ubunna yozo we mutadi opara. Enyi o, 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 enyi o.
What are you doing there?
Sir, left. I'm good morning, sir.
What are you doing around that video?
I'm cleaning it, sir.
Is that why you're fidgeting? Is that why you're shaking like a leaf? I don't know what is wrong with you. You are always behaving like a criminal. And I have warned you. If I ever find any property missing in this house, you are as good as dead. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Go and call that stupid inverter guy. Okay, here comes the light. Let me have the TV and video remote.
So you say?
TV and video remote, and don't waste my time. Are you alright?
Don't shit.
Oh yeah, give me. Out of my sight. And just pray to your God I don't perceive any unfriendly odor. Or smell. What is the meaning of this nonsense? Huh? So it has gotten to the point of you watching pornography in my house.
Pornography. Baby, this is not mine.
So it is mine, isn't it?
I never said it's yours, but I don't know who owns this. This is not mine.
That is what I saw inside the video. So this is what your boyfriend have been supplying you. You watch them, then you practice it on them. Instead of your husband.
Baby, you have to believe me. This is not mine. There is no way I'll be watching pornography. This is not mine.
Shut up. Stop lying. What is wrong with you? So you're telling me we have another adult in this house living with us? Certainly not any. No way.
Because with this your behavior, you go die before your time. Oh. With this your behavior, you go get in showdown. Oh.
Marriage in Naija love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh, make you no die before your time. Marriage in Naija love, marriage.
Then you no get respect.
Hey.
Ma?
Hey. What was the meaning of that stuff you were watching?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? Don't even try to play dumb with me. Are you mad? What was that you were watching in the living room?
Well, no, I was not watching anything. Wait. Let me understand. What type of watching? Is he watching the car driving to the house? Or watching...
My friend, shut up! Before I slap the living out of you. Are you mad? Are you okay?
Jesus.
Hey, so you have the guts to sneak in adult content, adult film into this house to watch as small as you are, Eni? Eni?
It was not me. It can never be me. I can never do that. And it will never be me. It was not me. No.
It wasn't you. So it was me.
It was not you.
It was not me. So it was a ghost. It was a ghost now. Eh? Hey, as small as you are very mischievous. And I wonder why you are very... This your head. You're a very mischievous child. You don't know how to... You don't know anything. You are not intelligent. All you know is lie and do mischievous things. But you see, let me tell you. There will be no food for you. That will be your punishment. For 7 good days, I will not give you food. No food, no water for you. For 7 good days. Watch me. You say this, I will punish you. Tilly, I will punish you. Watch me.
7 days, no food, no water. Am I Jesus?
Then you no get respect. Sabi lie, he sabi pretend. Onya rurala, ubunna yozo we mutadi opara.
I will tell you the meaning of this. Take a good look at my body, baby. You see this body? This body solely belongs to you, my husband. You and nobody else. So, I want you to feast on me, baby. I want you to ride on me. Ride. Baby. 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 Ah! Baby. Don't ride again, baby. Please. I'm sorry. Baby. Baby. Baby, what is wrong?
Akahata takiye anyanwụ ije love ka na-ekuko ya obi battle this life in no balance at all nwoke n'ife to be a man no is at all aginusue every day with your own wahala trouble every day take life to jeje aginusue which kind future you get to Agunuso I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior Okwa Matechi Agunuso Taking life for jaja Take up jaja Life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Every day with your own wahala.
Is he dead? He lives. He's still alive.
Thank God. Thank God.
The doctor said his BP was really high. But thankfully, he gave him drugs that stabilized him. So he's recovering.
DP again. Hey, that man should be watchful. Oh. This constantly BP is getting something else.
Hi there. Why won't he have BP? Why won't he have BP? This man is always worried about my whereabouts. Even right now that I'm in your house, I'm sure he's somewhere thinking that I'm probably with a man doing something else.
Even when you told him that you're coming to my house.
You're talking as if you don't know the man I got married to. Babe. Hey. We went to a party yesterday. I only hugged and shook hands with my old classmates. Babe, this man threw my phone away. It was hell. It was something else. He threw my phone. He snapped.
Is that jealousy that will kill him? Is that jealousy that will take him to his 6 feet? What is it?
6 waiting. Please, allow him to leave. God forbid I rebuke that. Allow him to leave. Why are you talking as if you don't know the whole story? Babe, you know how I got married to this man. You know it. You know what I stand to lose. Please, just leave him. Leave him. Let him leave. Let him just leave.
I really pity you, girl. But all the same, it is well. Oh, yeah. Drink. Take. It wasn't here that I started. Take. Drink. Cheers.
Cheers to.
Come on. Cheers this thing, my friend. Come on to this thing.
Which kind man be this, yo? Anyanwu. You go kill yourself, yo. Arrange no be like this, yo. Akahata takiye anyanwu ije love kane kukokuya obi battle feel anyanwu because with this your behavior you go die before your time with this your behavior you go get it showdown
Marriage na ije love marriage aburonike take am easy make you no die before your time. Marriage na ije love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, make you no die before your time.
Even as boy don't talk to oga, and you no get respect you. And you no get respect you. Sabi lie, he sabi pretend. Onya rurala, ubunna yoso we mutadi opara. Enyi o, 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 enyi o. This life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Magnus every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take your life to jeje. Magnus mago, 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 Magnus. Take your life to jeje. Mago. Which kind future you get to? Magnuso, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Akwa Makechi, Magnuso, Magnuso, Magnuso. Take it life for Jaja, take up Jaja, take up Jaja. Life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Magnus every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take your life to jeje. Magnus mago, 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 Magnus. Take your life to jeje.
Ebony Black, you want ice cream?
I beg come for you.
Someone? The sun is too much. Oh. Are you sure you don't want ice cream?
Let's see, you get sense.
Where is my wife?
She come out with her friend.
Her friend?
Yes. That auntie wey dey like say she fair. The both of them follow come out.
Go and open that gate. I want to go out.
Okay, sir. Hi. She have told me that Madam said I wouldn't be eating in this house for a week. No. If I tell him now, it will backfire. And they will find out saying that me go watch the film. I just do my day.
Even as boy don't talk to oga, and you no get respect you. And you no get respect you. Sabi lie, he isabi pretend. Onye arụrụ ala bụ nna ya ụzọ wee mụta dị ọkpara. Enyi o, 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 enyi o.
Silas,
Magnus.
what's in my bag they do for outside? House the one catch fire.
Magnus, when you come this compound, what will be the agreement?
When I come.
No, now when I came.
Is it the shop now? Silas.
Magnus.
Silas.
Magnus.
What's in my bag they do outside?
What will be the thing where we agree when you come for this compound? What's your agreement?
You talk say I got to pay rent 6 months.
Beautiful. I thought say you go to pay rent 6 months. 6 months don't pass. You never give me 1 kobo. Okay, give me your money for rent.
Wanna wear them now?
Wanna boy again?
Shebi they see how life they toss me up. I don't say I no go pay, but the money never come.
Okay. So if landlord call me now and say Silas, give me money for rent, I'll go meet and tell Oga landlord, Biko wanna boy eh? Okay, give me your money for rent.
No, they do this thing. You my guy, you my brother. Onya na one day, I go pay now.
Onya na one year. Because I tell you say feel at home. You can't go carry your pictures, go the hand for war. Oga, give me your money for rent. Your 6 month money for rent. No be here.
What have I done to deserve this? What did I do you? I wrong you. I say I go pay, but the money never come. Start to landlord, I go pay.
See, as it be now, carry your bag come out. Why you say you won't give me your 6 months rent?
No, no, don't do this thing to me now. We'll work on this now. If I get money, I will give you. No just I no go pay. I go pay, but the money never come.
Magnus, this is the way they talk, no, they enter my brain. In fact, I don't even want you again. If you don't get money to give me, carry your bag, come out here. Which kind of sense is this one now?
They go here now. I get another place where I go go.
Where you from come here?
You won't lose guard me because of rent.
Carry your bag, come out here.
Meanwhile, if you see the babe where I sit, I get one woman, portable woman. She's black, ebony. Her body everywhere they do like this. Very sweet.
No wonder. No wonder. Now I know wetin dey happen. So na woman here should they look. Eh? You suppose they hustle, they make money, they concentrate, make you they pay your rent. You can't they focus on woman.
No, make we some can I no go look around again because I the own rent 6 months. At least I see beautiful God creature where fine. You they say okay, no, buy a glass for me. I beg stop this.
Now this how you suppose take the see money. You take and the see woman. I beg, leave this house. Where they go?
I go pay, I never get money.
Oh God, carry this bag go. You even get mine, fight me wey be semi landlord. Because as I put you for my house, na semi landlord I be. Over toothpaste, my own toothpaste, you go dey fight.
You say we drag toothpaste. Ordinary clothes of women you drag, you carry them for mine. No worry. Tomorrow I go buy full toothpaste.
Oga, I don't even need you again. They go. If you like say I carry that bad law, come meet me for this one. They go, no be say I go pay. See, I go throw you. I go throw you.
I never chop.
Eh?
I never chop.
Give me my money.
I never chop.
Give me my rent money.
I know say I no go pay. I go pay, but money no day for now.
You go do U-turn now.
You know day, say you know day.
You have to bring the money now.
I go shit money.
No balance at all. Walking even to be a man. No.
Which kind life be this? Eh? Ever since I come this city, it's been from one misfortune to the other. Finally, I don't have a roof over my head anymore. My village people, clap for yourselves. It's better I return to the village, since it's obvious that my destiny cannot shine here in the city. But that young lady I saw today is one hell of a beauty queen. Wow. Ebony Black Wanyama. She is so beautiful. I wish to see her one more time before I return to the village. Chai. God the great forget. See beauty now. I will sell this phone and use the money to start up something better in the village. Before then, I must see that beauty queen again.
Where did you go?
Nancy was here, so I left with her.
To where?
Her place.
Are you so jobless that you have to follow your visitors back to their own house after staying with them here?
I'm sorry.
Baby, it's Nancy we are talking about. It's not like she's another person to me. She's my best friend. And besides, today is my off day at work.
Did you tell me about your movement? Did you?
I said I'm sorry.
I think it's about time I started looking into your movements and your lifestyle. I can't be your husband and I don't know everything about you.
Baby. What is there to know about me, my love? What is there? Tell me. I will share everything. I will share my life with you. Listen. I am willing to cooperate with you anyhow you want me to. I am your wife. I owe you my love, my devotion. I am ready to be there for you. I owe you everything. I don't like the way you complain over little things that doesn't even matter. Please, my king. It's okay, I can never do anything to hurt you. I would never cheat on you, far from it. Okay? Baby? I'm sorry.
Then you no get respect, Sabi lie, he sabi pretend. Onya rurala, ubunna yozo we mutadi opara. Enyi o, enyi o, enyi o, enyi o, enyi o, enyi o, enyi o,
Hey. Hey.
Enyi Konwa.
Ma?
What was that thing I saw you put inside your pocket?
Me? I don't put anything inside my pocket too.
You know I hate it when you lie to me. What was that thing you put inside your pocket right now?
Ma, I swear with my late parents' grave, I don't put anything in my pocket. I'm telling you the truth.
So I'm blind? No, I don't know what I saw. Eh? I'm blind. Enyi, search yourself right now. Put your hands in your pocket and search yourself right now. It's like you're playing with me. Do I look like a fool to you? No, if you're a fool, do I look like a fool as well? Remove your trousers. I want to search it myself. You're playing with me.
There's nothing in my pocket. See this one. There's nothing in my pocket.
You're playing with me. You are playing with me right now. If you don't want me to crush you like an ant, if you don't want me to beat you right now, put your hands inside your pocket and search it very well. Search yourself very well. What is this? You did ask me. Eh?
I don't know.
Where did you get the money to buy this?
How did you purchase this? Hey, you dey ask me wetin be this? No, you're asking me, what is this? Where did you get the money to buy this? Leave my house! Leave this house! I am done condoling your excesses in this house. It is too much. What is it? You are a small boy but a very dangerous boy. Get out!
I'm very sorry.
I said you should get out. Get out! Get outside! Stupid boy. Criminal. Don't continue like this. They will just waste your life in this life.
Madam,
Waste your
Madam,
life.
please.
Get out!
I'm very sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Madam, please.
Continue this your petty thing, eh? They will burn you before you turn 18. No, continue. Continue, they will burn you alive before you turn 18.
Madam, please.
More this thing. Criminal. Don't continue like this. They will just waste your life in this life.
Madam,
Waste your life. Get out! I don't want you to come inside this house. I don't want to see you inside this house. Get out!
I'm very sorry.
Sorry for yourself. This is it. How will a small boy like you be stealing up and down? Imagine what you bought with my money. AirPod. And no fear. Useless boy.
Die before your
Madam,
time.
Madam.
Even as boy don't talk to you. And you no get respect.
Madam,
And you
please.
no get respect.
Madam, because you
Sabi lie. You sabi pretend.
Madam, please.
Onya rurala, ubunna yo so we adi obara. Enyi yo.
Maybe I think you need to send that boy away completely.
Which boy?
Our house boy, of course.
Why?
Maybe that boy is very disrespectful. He is very disrespectful and he lies. He lies so much. So much. Can you imagine that this boy stole my money and used my money to purchase this cheap AirPod?
I'll talk to him.
Why not send this boy to school?
Was he able to pass his junior WAEC? Until he does, I will keep him here. After all, he has no parents or siblings to go to.
Then please better talk to him because I am fed up. I am fed up of his dirty attitude. His dirty attitude is getting me mad. Talk to him.
Okay. Where is he now?
I already sent him out.
You did what? You sent him away. Are you out of your mind? What right do you have to send him out of this place? Were you the one that brought him here in the first place? Listen, go out there now and look for that boy. You are nowhere better than him. Go and look for him.
Did you hear when I said he insulted me?
You heard me, right? And you're still standing there. Go and look for that boy. And bring him inside now. He insulted you.
Because with this your behavior.
Oh, Enyikwanwa, of course. And I've not seen him till now.
And you didn't deem it fit to come and let me know. Rather, you've been out there wasting time with whoever before coming home. Eh?
I have done absolutely nothing since I left this house but to look for that boy. So I don't know what you're talking about.
You better go to the police and inform them that you are the one responsible for the missing boy. Go now.
You're not coming with me.
To do what? You better go there now.